now Molly and I. That's Molly. Hi. We are going to. We just unloaded a group of 48 cash buyers. How many buyers?
48.
48 cash buyers. We just grabbed a group of 48 cash buyers looking to buy homes here in the area. We just pre-approved, pre-qualified. These are cash buyers ready to go. We are looking for homes. If you're thinking of selling a home anywhere in LA County, San Gabriel, Alhambra, Pasadena, Los Angeles, LA and Orange County, between 500,000 all the way to no more than $1 million. Basically anything under $1 million cash. Single family home, townhome, anything below $1 million cash anywhere in LA County and Orange County. We have a group. We just pick up a group of 48 cash buyers. Hey guys, if you're thinking of selling your home in today's real estate market, right? So think about it. Most real estate agents, what they do is that when the owner of the house thinking of selling their home, what they do, they put a for sale sign and they're looking for buyers. They don't have a buyers, they're looking for buyers. Here in our team, the difference between our team and our competitors is that in our team, we already have a database of over 30,000 buyers, cash buyers, who's looking to buy homes here in the area. When I say 30,000 cash buyer, I know it sounds too good to be true. So the way how it works is this: every day we have either from radio, we are on 2 Chinese radio station, we are on 2 Spanish radio station, 2 English radio station. Either the buyers either coming in from the radio, from billboards, from direct mail, postcards, postcards for our for sale sign right around the cities, as well as online. Yeah, that's Zillow. A good point. Online, Zillow. If you go on Zillow, Trulia, anywhere basically, right? We dominate the online space. So when the buyers come in, call in our office, we have 20 staff team members, our admin staff team, that take the incoming call, put it into our database, and then our inside sales team check the timing and motivation of those buyers or all this incoming call and book it to our outside sales team, right? And then what our outside sales team does, meet one-on-one, in-person one-on-one with the buyers and check to make sure the financing is all checked out. And we don't simply do a simple pre-qualification with any of these buyers. We do what's called a full loan underwriter's approval, which means that the moment we get it fully approved as become our VIP buyers clients, when we submit an offer on your home, when you are thinking of selling your house, there is no loan contingency. This offer are just like literally as good as cash, if not better than cash, because we can actually close in 1 or 2 weeks. How it benefits you if you're thinking of selling your home is that, let's say you are not ready to get it sold in 1 or 2 weeks. The point is not closing 1 or 2 weeks. The point is that now you can sell it in your time, right? Imagine if you're thinking of selling your home, how many buyers can you sell your house to? 1. But what if I bring you 30, 40, 50 multiple cash offers within the first couple of weeks? What happened to not only the price of the home, but naturally what happened with the terms? You can control the terms. This is a simple supply and demand. When you are thinking of selling your home, when you are interviewing a real estate agent to get your home sold, you are hiring a marketing specialist. You are hiring a marketing expert. Our job, when you hire our team to get your home sold, our job is to create more demand on your home. How can we create more demand on your home? It's very simple, right? Because we already have these 30,000 buyers that we have in our database. We call all the buyers that we have in our database, then we come to your home. Like today, for example, this afternoon, this Saturday, we actually just pick up a group of cash buyers, 48. We're gonna bring them into a bus tour. So what's the big plan today? We know we just pick up a group of 48 cash buyers, but what's the plan? What are we gonna do?
We're gonna bring them to 5 different properties to show them these like great investor opportunities for fixers, and also we'll be telling them about our VIP buyers program and how we are different from all the other companies and real estate agents out there.
So how are we different? I thought you guys are the same, right? All real estate agent the same. All you do just sending me emails of homes that I can see online. I go to Zillow, I go to Redfin, I find the homes, and then I call you guys. All you guys do just open the doors. You guys are an overpaid Uber drivers.
And door opener.
Door openers. Useless profession.
But actually, we're different because we send the buyers listings of homes that they won't be able to see from other real estate agents because we actually have our own buyers VIP program, so we don't have to rely completely upon the MLS commission system, which because real estate agents, what they don't tell the buyers is that we have our own MLS system where we can see the commission offered on each individual property. So sometimes it's not fiduciary to the buyer, and the agents end up choosing the commission that best benefits them instead of like what that matches their commission criteria instead of the buyer's criteria. And a lot of homes which didn't offer a commission, such as like for sale by owners, bank owned, those are not sent to the buyers and they don't know about it.
So in addition to homes that the buyers can see on Zillow, on Redfin, you are saying you today when we meet the 48 cash buyers here, you can show access to homes that cannot see online. Give me a list of example, Molly. What are some of these homes that the buyers cannot see online?
They're like new construction, builder closeout, and then we have like a list of like foreclosures, bank owned, distressed sales,
For sale by owners, right?
Our bid homes.
Hey, let's talk about that. What is our bid homes? What is our bid homes? Yeah, our bid homes are highly motivated sellers. These are sellers that they gotta sell, right, Molly? Have you ever been in your life as a situation that I gotta sell? Let's say if this is your cell phone, where is your cell phone? If this is your cell phone, right? This is Molly's cell phone. Let's say you really need money, right? This is your cell phone, Molly. What would you do? You gotta sell it. So our bid homes, yeah, our bid homes simply a list of homes that's proprietary, exclusive to our team, and these are highly motivated sellers. These are good deals that's not available on the internet. So today when we go meet this group of cash investors, we're gonna give them access to homes that they cannot see on Zillow, homes that they cannot see on Redfin, homes that they cannot see anywhere online, because this is in our proprietary database. And what else? What's the big plan today? What else other than having access to homes that they cannot see online? What else the big plan today, Molly?
We will also be telling them about how if they're ready to sell before they buy, then we actually have this program where we can buy your home, so you can buy.
Yeah, so basically we are saying that, hey, if you buy any of these homes, how many leads you have today? Show them your little super package there. So Molly put together, let me show you guys. So this is our super duper package here. There's 50 package for it. There's 50 of them that Molly put together. These are homes that are secret deals. And then basically we are saying that if you buy any of these Arbit homes, right? If you buy any of these Arbit homes, then we're gonna put an offer in your home.
Yeah, so it's buy this home and I'll buy yours.
So it's gonna be a super Saturday. What else you guys are doing today? What else are you guys doing today? Comment below. If you're thinking of selling your home, the fact is this. Right now, we already have over 30,000 cash buyers in our database who's looking to buy homes. In fact, today, we're on the way. We just picked up 48 new group of cash buyers looking to buy homes anywhere between $200,000 to under $1 million, anywhere in LA County, Orange County, San Bernardino, cash, basically, right? And what it means is that you can close in your time. So that doesn't mean we have to close escrow in a week or two, because we have over 30,000 buyers, and if you're thinking of selling your home, you can only sell it to one buyer. Because of that, in negotiation, then not only you can get the highest price, then now you can control the terms of that negotiation. All right, we almost get here. Let's turn it off.
Hi, I'm Aaron.
I'm Janet.
Yes. So, 我们这次买的房子，这是我们是第一次买房，所以说，通过 Stella 跟 Rudy Kusuma 的 team 给了我们非常多的帮助。Stella 是一个非常好的 agent， 她非常 nice, helpful and friendly. So， 实际上 actually 我们投了不止一次 offer， 而每次 offer Stella 就都会帮我们抢到了那次都会帮我们抢到 offer， 然后我们通过这些 offer 里，我们选择了一个我们觉得更适合我们的一个房子，那就是现在这个房子，就是我们两个年轻人，我们更 prefer 一个学区房。那这个房子就是它的优势，我们觉得它是在华人区的同时，它是一个从3个学区全是9分的一个非常好的一个房，它性价比非常的高。然后 Stella 帮我们用最快的速度和最好的情况下帮我们把这个房子给抢到，同时也帮我们节省了很多的时间，节省了很多的预算。我们真的觉得 Stella 是一个非常非常好的 agent， 我们非常的推荐。
Your home sale is the biggest financial transaction of your life, and you want a realtor who guarantees a sale, and that's Rudy Kusuma. Saw Rudy and his staff the other day. We had a good lunch together. He has a base of 7,900 buyers, and they were waiting to buy any homes between $500,000 to $1 million right now. You and Rudy agree on a price and a deadline for your home sale, and if the deadline passes, Rudy will buy it himself. Rudy's homes sell for more on average of $17,000 more on a $500,000 home. Call Rudy Kusuma, dial pound 250 on your cell phone and say Rudy has the buyers. Pound 250 and say Rudy has the buyers, and you'll have the option to receive an auto-dialed text message from iHeartMedia.